What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back on the YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and a return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video, this is the first time ever that I'm trying out a braided wig. Guys, I'm so excited. This wig is so cute, guys. This came with its own edges. Period. Get into it, okay? So in this video, if you're interested in seeing how we install and style this braided wig, and if you just want to know my thoughts on this wig, definitely keep on watching. So today's video is sponsored by Dolago. They did go ahead and send me this 30-inch braided wig, but this is the goodies that came with the wig. We got a wig cap, an elastic band, and some like hair charms. So we are in a very weird angle, okay? Say hello to my neck and my chinny chin. Okay, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and just do my bald cap method. So this wig is a frontal, but it's one of those frontals that's kind of shorter on the side and it goes deeper in the middle, so it's more targeted towards the middle part. But I am going to go ahead and just tack this down as if this was a full frontal. I am taking my Ghost Bond glue and just, putting that on the perimeter, letting that dry down. And then I go in with my Ruby Kiss cream foundation in shade 09, and we are just smoothing and smothering the top of my head, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess cap. So with that, the sides did lift a little bit, okay, but nobody's perfect, and the install still came out fire, and that's on what? That's on period. Okay, so yeah, here I'm just cutting off the excess cap. As you see, there's a little lifting, so don't judge me in the comments, but as you guys see by the thumbnail, we still ate and left no crumbs, okay? So here in that bottle is actually 91% alcohol. I just sprayed that on a napkin, and I'm just clearing off my skin and prepping it for some glue. So this is the star of the show. This is what the wig looks like. It looks so freaking good, guys. Look at that scalp. Like I told you guys in the beginning of the video, this is 30 inches. This is what the ends look like. It's not one of those like dipped ends. It looks like the ends that kind of, they're a little jagged at the end, but not in a bad way. It just reminds me of like when I got my hair done as a little girl. This wig did come with pre-edges, which I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw her on, and we are gonna position this, okay? Pull it down on the sides, making sure she fits my head nice and snug, okay? We want this hairline to align with mine. This is what the wig is looking like. I'm just showing you guys, I'm just playing with this, seeing how I'm gonna style it, what side fits my face, okay. Let me show you guys what this is looking like though. So this is the middle part. Let me stand up. So this is where it falls on me. I am 5'7", so it does fall a little bit above my buttocks area. This is what the ends I was telling you guys about. It doesn't seem like it was dipped in hot water, so you can go ahead and just dip it in hot water yourself for more of a smooth transition to the end. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just take my Ghost Bond, and we're just going to go ahead and put that on my forehead. Then I'm going to smooth it down with a business card, and then I'm going to go back in with another layer after this is nice and smooth and flat. Then I take my blow dryer. This is like my little face dryer though. It's from Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and dry that first layer of glue, and I did go ahead and do 2 layers of glue. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and pull this wig down. I didn't have to pluck or do anything. This is just fresh out the box. We're just going to go ahead and put the hairline of this wig in front of my natural hairline, so you don't see the cap or like my little edges on the side, okay? So we're just pulling it down, and then I'm placing it. I'm just pushing it into my head so it can really like attach itself to the glue, so this wig doesn't start slipping and sliding. So next up, I'm going to take the elastic band that they sent me, and I'm going to go ahead and just tie it in the back for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, we're going to go ahead and take it out, and we're going to cut out my ear tabs. So cutting out your ear tabs, you will cut off a braid. I was like kind of freaking out. I'm like, was I supposed to do that? But I need my ear tabs loose. So this is what it looks like. I cut out 2 braids on this side, and then this side actually didn't come out with any braids, which was a little weird, but that was fine. Now I'm just cutting off the excess lace. As you guys know, I have retired the razor. I used to use razors to cut off my excess lace, but now I'm back to the scissor gang, okay, scissor family up in here. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the excess lace and kind of doing it in a zigzag motion so it doesn't look like I have a tape line. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take my even lace spray. I'm just going to go ahead and spray down just to make sure that the lace is melted. It did go ahead and stick down, but this is going to help with the melting process. And I put that on for another 10 minutes. So after that time was up, this is what we're looking like. Our edges kind of tacked down too. So I'm just taking a hard brush and pulling out the edges that they already had for me. So I'm not sure if I could like go in the front and unbraid a hair if I wanted to take out more edges, but I think they left out a good amount. Just on this side, I thought there was edges hiding and there was none. So yeah, if I wanted to take out those edges, I would have just unbraided a hair and then, you know, did my thing. But yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm just pulling out the edges, making sure that they're nice and fluffy, and we are going to go ahead and start the process of styling. So they did leave a large amount of edges out, so I am going to be doing a couple of swoop-de-doops and turns and twists and twirls and all that good stuff. If you're not into that kind of look though, you can definitely kind of just play with the edges and like just like kind of lay them to the side a little bit, because this was a lot of edges to be left out. I like dramatic edges, but if that's not your taste, definitely you do not have to style them how I'm doing it. Like I'm extra. Everything I do is extra, okay? Alrighty guys, so this is what it's looking like. I wanted to show you guys how it looks all done with my edges. So I just want to show you guys some of the hairstyle that you can do with this wig. So this is what the hair is looking like from the back and in the front. One of my favorite hairstyles with this wig was like that no part side part. I think it was just so cute. I loved it. Then I did a half up, half down for you guys. So this wig is definitely versatile. And alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to install and style this braided wig. So now let's get into my thoughts of this wig. I really do like this hair. I thought this wig was so cool. I love the front just with the scalp. This looks pretty real. Like this looks like low-key my real hair. So I really do like that. If you wanted to bleach the knots, I'm not sure if you would be able to, because I'm scared that you would get bleached like in the roots of each braid. But for the most part, I think that this wig is pretty good. And what I like about this wig is going to be for the girls that either have very sensitive hair, they can't braid their hair, girls that have very short hair so they can't catch their hair, or girls with alopecia. This wig is just something that's going to be for a lot of different type of girls that can't get braids. Like for me, I do so many wig videos, as you guys know, so I don't really have time for braids. So if I ever wanted to just throw some braids on, this is a wig that I'm going to grab. Very different. I really did like this hair. This hair, like I showed you guys, was 30 inches long. Did seem like about 28, but I'm a tall girl, so I think it is true to length. However, the one thing that I can say about this wig, kind of a plus, but then again, so basically this wig really gives that somebody braided this wig by hand. And the reason why I say that is, I don't know if you guys can see, but from this size of the braid to compared to this side of the braid, maybe I'm being a little bit extra, but they're very different in sizes. And that just kind of reminds me of like when I'm braiding my own hair and I'm like in a rush and I'm like, yeah, we about to get bigger because I need this to get done. So that is one thing I did notice about the hair. And it's actually funny, I didn't notice it, my cousin actually noticed it for me. She was like, some of your braids are big. So that was the one thing I could say about the hair. But besides that, I liked the hair. The shipping was very fast. The customer service was amazing. And all in all, this is just an easy way to have braids inside your hair without having to do too much. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, definitely check my description box down below. I have some promo codes, purchasing links, and all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.